Hello, creative minds. Today, we are back with a concept sketch of Lord Ganesh in the avatar of a chef. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSMC channel for all the creative minds out there. Choose your preferred medium, be it digital or paper. This tutorial is meant to develop your character study and study of human figure and anatomy. For today's artistry trivia, why is Lord Ganesh served modak while worshipping him? Drop your guesses in the comments below and stay tuned till the end to know the correct answer. This is the fourth sketch of our series where we draw Lord Ganesh as different profession. Today we are drawing Lord Ganesh as a chef. Check out the previous videos as well where we draw Lord Ganesh as a farmer and a soldier. Now let us start with the sketch. Begin the basic shape of the head and then torso. As we know, the head of Lord Ganesh is elephant's head, so draw accordingly. This get-up of Lord Ganesh is of a chef. Draw the legs and the arms next. This is the first stage of the drawing, so use light strokes so later you can erase them and add details. Chef Ganesh is holding modaks in a plate in his hand, so draw accordingly. Tap an eraser over the basic sketch so that we can start with detailing. Start with the details of the head. Next, add detail to the props and the costume. Detailing is a very crucial process, so take your time while doing it. Once you are done with the drawing, let's start with the coloring process. Carefully color this sketch, making sure the color doesn't spill out of the outlines. A drawing of Lord Ganesha as a chef symbolizes the blend of wisdom and creativity in nourishing both the body and soul, reflecting his role as the remover of obstacles and provider of abundance, guiding us in the art of crafting sustenance with love and purpose. Use light strokes to create shadows and highlights, giving a three-dimensional feel to our characters as well as our props. While coloring or shading, always keep in mind the form of the subject and the light casting on it. This will help you in giving a better shading to the sketch. Blend the colors to make the sketch livelier. It's okay if your sketch doesn't match our sketch. Always remember to have fun while sketching and keep practicing because practice makes perfect. And there we have it, a delicious sketch of Lord Ganesh as a chef. Now, coming back to the artistry trivia question. Modak is served to Lord Ganesha because it is believed to be his favorite sweet. Modak symbolizes spiritual knowledge, with its outer shell representing the material world and its sweet filling symbolizing the inner spiritual bliss. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel. And definitely check out the advanced playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC.